Hey, Kentucky here with Vermont and Williams substitutes for Iowa and Kansas. Yeah, because they're not here today. In this right now, because they're still finishing the movie. If you saw the episode by Creepy Cave, please like that. Because us Iowa and Kansas people, we need more subscribers. Right, Vermont? Oh, yes, we do. Hey, what's up? It's Florida. Whoa, I think a bird's gonna land right there. Let's hope not someone lands there, because someone lands there, that's gonna be bad. Someone gonna hear a fart. Oh, no, I think a bird's gonna land. Who will it be? Washington, I'll help you. Now it sounds like it. Washington, I'll help you. Now who's gonna help me? No comment. Whoa, Vermont! You got a bird on top of you. Thanks, Louisiana. I could really use that. Help. Thank you. Please go. No. Oh no, I think a bird's ripping through me. Hey, Louisiana, I'm chunking a little. Hello, hello, it's Delaware. There's an army of birds. Whoa, a bird just knocked me over.
Birds in this. That's cool.
At Washington, you got a bird on you.
Get it off.
You're screaming so hard, you got the bird
How
off.
bad with this guy?
Right, or it's like, yeah, we don't want to be on you. You're lucky. You can scream.
I know. Look out, Delaware.
Ah! He just went to the bathroom on me.
Is that Delaware?
He pooped on me.
Yeah, that's familiar.
Hey, Michigan. At Washington, another one's landed on you.
I gotta go pee to it. Well, I can wait.
Oh no. Ah! A bird just ripped through me. Well, that's too bad. I feel like the bird is ripping through us.
You want it rolled up a little tighter?
Hey, Minnesota. Oh, yeah. How's it doing? Hey, how's it doing, don't you know? It's like there's a little tightrope over there. The birds wouldn't touch your tightrope, you know. Oh, yeah, you might be right. Hey, Hawaiian bird is safe. No, Hawaiian bird safe. Same. What about us? Well, what about me? Or not? What about me, Michigan, Washington? We're not bird safe. Or bird unsafe. You're right. You are. We can't get every state to cover every state. That's the problem. The great state of Oregon is gonna stack right now. You don't want it. Why do you want to stack? Wow! Ah, it looks creepy. Ah! Whoa, no! So many birds. I can't believe there were this many birds flying around here, don't you know? I saw like coming. Hey, Minnesota. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna get a bird on me. Oh no, I just hurt. Oh, that looks creepy, don't you know? I don't think I'd want to be you there, don't you know? I got a bird myself on me, don't you know? Would you stop saying, don't you know? I'm sorry, but this is our talk. Hey, Washington, you got a bird on you. Whoa! Someone's shaking me. Ah! I think it's gonna get me. Oh yeah, I think it's a bird invasion. Oh no! Me and Washington want a bird. We want a bird on us. This is weird. I'll help you. Oh, you stopped the brain. Bird. Ah! Oh, we lost Minnesota. Wish we did. Why are you guys talking like him? Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Hey, I'm Illinois. Illinois, you border me. Yeah, thanks to you. If you didn't exist, I wouldn't be standing up. I'd just be falling. Yeah, because you can't really stand up there. Hey, New Mexico, New Mexico, New Mexico. But why is Oregon in the ground? Oregon in the ground. Would you stop repeating things? Stop repeating things. Stop repeating things. Come on, Washington, you're doing that too.
Was that coming from outside? I just wondered what the sound was.
Hey, Oklahoma! Yo, it's Oklahoma here. What's up? Whoa! No! Oh, no, Oregon, you're shaking me. Hey, Florida, I think I'm about to get knocked off of you, and then you'll get a bird on you, and then you're going to poop. Ew. Ew. Pooping is disgusting. I think there might be a bird on me. Oh no. Go away. Get away. Get away. This is Mississippi. How's it going? Woo! Oh no! Oh no, I'm slipping up. Whoa! Ah no! Whoa! Oh, this is weird. It's Ohio, isn't it? Hey, yo, Florida's gone. A lot of us are gone. It's just Florida, New Hampshire. It's Maine. Hey, it is Alaska.
Must accept
Yeah. I'm crushing birds.
You watching zombies?
Thanks, Alaska. You're like a weapon.
What are you watching?
Hey, this is Big Al. This is what I meant for. Hey, ow, look out! Woo! I don't really want to stay here because there's so many birds. It's a bird invasion. And that's what we're going to call today's episode. Bird invasion. Dudes, y'all California swooping in. Y'all California got the birds out. Who let the birds out? Me. Me. Hey, what's up? Who's talking? Hey, it's Virginia. Oh no, there's so many birds. Hey, Kansas, you need help out? Sure, Iowa. What seems to be the problem? Shoo! Shoo! Get away! Get away! Shoo! Get away! No! The bird's away. Thanks, Arizona. Oh no, there's a bird on Virginia now. Hey, I'm West Virginia. Wow. Hey, Virginia, how you doing? I stand with my buddy Maine. Hey, how you doing there, Maine? Well, I'm doing pretty good. These are all. How's it going? Just dancing. Just push. It was God said, woo! What's happening? Whoa, no! Oh no! What's happening? It's Wisconsin and Louisiana again.